Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can link debit card to your PayPal account. But before I tell you guys how you guys can do that, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And let's dive right into the video, shall we? Now before I teach you how you guys can link it, I want you guys to know that you can only link one debit card to one PayPal account. So let's say you're trying to link your debit card to this PayPal account and it's denies you, then basically your debit card is logged into another PayPal account. Alright, you can only link your debit card on one PayPal account. If you want to link in this one, if it shows you an error, then basically you want to unlink your debit card from another PayPal account, and once that debit card is free and not linked to any PayPal account, then only you can link the debit card into this one. Alright, so basically this is your normal PayPal interface on your mobile phone. As you guys can see, it looks like this. So the first step you want to do is click on the gear icon at the top of your screen. Click on it. Once you click on it, you want to click on where it says bank and card over here. You want to click on banks and card. After you click on banks and card, you want to click on this plus icon over here. You want to click on this plus icon. Once you click on this plus icon, it's going to give you two options: bank account, debit card, or credit card. So if you want to link your bank account, you want to click on bank account, but we want to link our debit card, so we are going to click on debit or credit. We're going to click on debit or credit. Once we click on it, it's going to give you all these bank account. If your debit card is with any of these banks, you can just click on it and link it. But if you don't, then you can click on debit or credit card over here, and it says let's start with your card number. So you want to enter your debit card number over here. After entering your debit card number, it's gonna ask you to enter your debit card's expiration date, its CVV, and its ZIP code. And after entering that, and if all the information you entered is correct, then it's gonna be added over here just like this, like my cash debit is added over here. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can add a debit card on your PayPal. So it's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then do hit that like and subscribe to our channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And I will see you guys in a bit. Until then, have a nice day and bye-bye.